Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our Arabic sweet page. Today we are going to show you how to make the pistachio, the Manna Pistachio by the way. Well, first of all, you get a pan, put 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of honey, and 1 cup of syrup sugar. You mix them well together. You mix them well, as you are seeing here in the video. Where you put them on heat. Keep stirring like for 10 minutes. Keep stirring. And then put the 2 eggs whites. Mix them well together. The 2 eggs whites. Add sugar mix to the egg whites components. When they are like mixing, add only half of the mix and slightly repeat half of the remaining amount over medium heat until thickness. Then add it gradually. Then add the cardamom and the pistachio. Then pour in a floored pot and make it like flat floor. Leave it for an hour. And you then put it. Cut it with the knife as you're seeing it here. Cut it for like squares. Store in the refrigerator, and that's it.